for listing the AB, my lord.
AB.
Tomorrow, my lord, very urgent, my lord. Because falsely implicated me.
Okay.
Tomorrow, lordship.
Wait,
Hi,
please, your
Lord.
lordship. Lordship, this is a 438 application fixed for bail hearing, my lord. Case diary is also here. It was listed after a week, my lord. It has not come up. May come up tomorrow, my lord. Already fixed, man. CD is also here.
Okay.
And there's no
Tomorrow, I do not know. See, now everything is in turmoil. This
CD,
day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
My lord, day after tomorrow, the conducting senior counsel won't be here. Let me try my luck, my lord. Deeply obliged, my
May I
lord.
please, Your Lordship?
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4 of the court number 22, my lord.
Item 4.
Item number 4 of court
Yes,
number
yes.
22. Lordship, I have some personal difficulty today, my lord.
Your
As
father
doctor, my lord.
petitioner.
On the last date, LCR has been already called for, my lord, and cause this is showing that LCR has been received.
Yeah.
Therefore, short date may be given, my lord.
Huh?
Short date may be fixed, my lord.
Okay. Any objection from the other side, from the PP? On the prayer for adjournment made by Mr. N.
As doctor.
S. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner, which is not objected to by the learned PP. List the matter
After 2 weeks, any date, my lord.
after 2 weeks.
Interim order may be continued, my lord.
Interim order passed, they shall continue till the next.
My lord. Highly obliged.
May it please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 of court number 22, your lordship.
26. 26 is this.
Your
Scan
lordship,
copy
due to-
was called for, lordship.
Huh?
Scan copy was called for, that probably received, lordship. The
Yes,
copy is
received.
attached soon. Lordship, if he wants to, lordship, adjourn the matter, we have no objection, lordship.
Your lordship,
Any
after
other
2
day,
weeks.
as per the convenience of the court.
Okay. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, any date, your lordship.
On the prayer for adjournment made by Mr.
I.H. Laskar.
Aish Laskar, which is not objected to by the learned PP. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Your lordship. Deeply.
Keep it, pending, not the wait. We will wait. Whoever counsel is not there, let us keep waiting.
Lordship, lordship.
Wait just a minute. Someone will say. 3. What does this matter?
My lord, in this case, my lord, 2.51 gram suspected heroin recovered from.
How much? How much?
2.5 gram.
2.5 gram.
Lordship.
2.5 heroin.
Heroin.
Is that bailable?
Lordship,
2.5 is bailable.
lordship.
Lordship.
20,
But-
that means 21A.
21A,
21A.
lordship.
You didn't ask for bail.
Lordship.
Lordship,
How do we know it's 21.5 to 2.5 grams? Where is the season? Huh?
Season list, my lord, page number 13.
Number 30. Number 30. 1-3.
On 3.
Yes.
Recover from the petitioner, Amir Ali, serial number 1, 15 non vials suspected to be heroin, quantity 2.51 gram.
1.07.
1.07, this is from another person, my lord.
Acha, acha.
From my possession, my lord, page number 13, 1-3.
1-3. 2.51.
lordship, I have page 16, lordship, the ground of arrest, lordship.
Yes.
Point number B, lordship.
Point number B.
Lordship. During investigation, 3.58 grams of suspected heroin has been recovered from the present petitioners along with
Just
his
a minute. Where are you reading?
page 16,
Yes.
Down.
Which line?
ground B, lordship, page 16,
Ground B. Page 16, ground B.
lordship, 3.58 grams, lordship.
There is no. Acha, 3. There is no ground B as such, but there is
Ground of arrest,
Ground of
lordship.
arrest.
the ground of arrest. Okay.
Lordship,
3.58 grams.
lordship, all put together.
3.5 is against below
Below
small
5,
quantity.
below small quantity.
3.58 is basically because 2.51
Lordship,
and 1.07 when you add up it's 3.5.
yes.
Okay, right. Right, Mr.
H.A. Ahmed.
H.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner should be released on bail as he has been arrested in connection with the seizure of 3.58 grams of heroin in which, what is the case number?
Gorsuk PS case number 25,
Where do you get that?
first title, case number 1, my lord.
In Garchuk PS case number 25/2023, under section 21 bracket A. 29 NDNPS?
Lordship 29 way A/29.
29, how does 29 come into play?
Lordship, otherwise it's not applicable perhaps.
Not applicable.
21A /29 NDNPS Act. Full stop. He submits that only section 21A, if at all applicable, can be applied to the seizure of the heroin, which is a bailable offense. Full stop. The learned PP also does not, submits that she has got no comments to make.
Lordship,
She has got no comments to make in this case. Full stop. As the seizure, as the seizure pertains to 3.58 grams of heroin, which is a bailable offense under section 21A Indian PS, the petitioner is released on bail on a bail bond of rupees,
50,000 Lordship,
small amount, most probably addict only,
25. Lordship.
25,000, with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the
Special Judge Kamrup.
Special Just Kamrup Metro Lordship.
Special Judge Kamrup Metro.
Lordship.
The anything else? Applications accordingly allowed. Okay, okay. For more, for mentioning here, we have to adjust to this.
This is a criminal appeal jail, my lord, where 389 CRPC is pending. The last order said it will be considered after paper book is prepared. Paper book has been prepared. May I make a prayer for listing this matter on 16th, my lord? 16th.
Today is what date?
Today is 13th.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, prayer for listing criminal revision petition 18/2022. Lordship, it is a maintenance case. I am for the respondent. Lordship. Court has granted interim relief.
When do you want?
Lordship, the 16/2.
Okay.
Obliged.
But please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing, it's AB, my lord. It's 15.
Okay. Item 1. Yes, what is the case about? What is the section?
My lord, sections are otherwise not serious. My lord,
Huh?
here what has happened is.
No,
he
no,
made
what is
a-
the section? Charge, section charge. this.
Yes, page 11, lordship,
Ah,
120B, 121, 121A, and my lord. Unlawful activities act is there, my lord. Lord, you will see for a moment, my lord, that the FIR is at page 11. Here, my lord, 5 persons have been named who are stated to be, my lord.
so let them apply the CD.
Lordship, CD may be called.
Lordship may give a short date because my lord is no way connected. In fact,
I
Lordship
heard
will see the
Mr. B.
forwarding.
Gogoi,
report.
learned counsel for the petitioners. For the petitioner who submits that the petitioner has been arrested.
On 27.
Huh?
27/1.
On 27/1/2023 in connection with NLPS case number 262/2022 under section 120B/121/121 IPC, read with section 10/13/15 bracket 1A, and it's here at page 2, huh? The top posted. This
SH Bora Lordship.
SH
Bora.
Bora.
URA.
SH Bora, additional PP.
Additional PP.
Additional PP shall produce the CD
Lordship.
on the next day. This is the matter of
Lordship. Can it be on Lordship 23?
23.
Right. Obligement.
Yes, what is the section?
My lord.
What is the section you're charged with? Heard.
Section 52 of Foxway Lordship.
52.
52 of Foxway. 15/2.
What does 15/2 say?
Lordship,
Okay, you produce the CD.
it's called for the case study, Lordship.
I heard Mr.
Jesse Gogol.
Huh?
Jesse Gogol.
J.C. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner has been arrested in connection with Doboka PS case number 318/22 under section 120 bracket capital B, comma 354 bracket capital C IPC, read with section 67 bracket A/57B of what act?
That is not there, Lordship, of what act?
Huh?
That is not
What
there,
is this? What act? 67A, 67B, of which act?
Lordship. I've also seen in the FIR
Of the
also.
IT Act, of the IT Act, most probably IT Act,
That's right.
IT Act, huh? Read with section 15 bracket to the POCSO Act.
Lordship.
Ms. S.H. Barot, additional PP, shall produce the case diary on the next week, list the matter on
22, Lordship.
22. Item 5, no one appears for the petitioner on, what is this matter?
Lordship, probably state is not a party here, Lordship.
Huh? State is not a party?
Lordship.
Oh. No one appears for the petition on call. This is the matter. After?
After Lordship, after 1 week,
After a week.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, it's a criminal petition. Lordship, two infractions of law. That's why we have come before this honorable court. My lord, in this case, the IO has shown me as an absconder in the charge sheet, which the IO cannot do because of the law which has been settled by this honorable court. There must be a judicial order for declaring a person as an absconder. So IO has declared
As a respondent?
as an absconder, my lord.
Absconder.
Absconder, my lord. So IO has declared me an absconder, and thereafter, my lord, straight away NPWA has been issued by the learned trial court without resorting to summons and BWA. That is why we have come before this honorable court.
So you go and surrender yourself.
The problem is that if we go with the stigma of being an absconder and with an NPWA pending against us, we don't stand a chance, my lord. The case itself is NDPS Act, my lord. So, my lord.
So he did not issue you any notice?
No, my lord. Directly as absconder, my lord, I have.
Yes, what to do out here, madam?
My lord, the only minor prayer which I have is that, my lord, this NPWA may be cancelled and a direction may be given that this stigma of absconder may not be there. I will appear before the trial court and in accordance with law, the order of bail will be
It is
cancelled.
with respect to seizure of what?
Seizure of, my lord, cough syrup bottles, my lord.
How many?
100 bottles, my lord.
100?
100 bottles, my lord. So it's a C.
Fentanyl?
Codeine, my lord.
I know it.
Fentanyl.
The name, you see, they're different. Codeine is the substance that is in the.
Lordship. Otherwise, commercial quantity, Lordship.
Commercial quantity.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Commercial quantity is there, my lord. We don't, otherwise, we don't stand a chance. but
Then
the fact-
maybe we'll have to actually obtain.
Since the matter has been surcited, Lordship, scan copy will be required, Lordship.
Or in the alternative,
So the charge sheet has been filed.
yes, my lord.
Where is the
Charge
charge sheet?
charge sheet, my lord, at page 20.
20.
20, and my lord will find at page 22, my status has been shown as an absconder.
Actually, maybe you
He
are
was- He
hiding.
was
No,
at large.
but even
at
in that case, my
point
lord-
in
Huh?
time. He may be he was at large while during the
We
investigation.
don't know anything. You obtain
Lordship.
instructions?
Yes, no, you have to call for the scan copy through registry, Lordship, because the
Oh.
matter has been surcited.
Okay.
My lord, till then, since
no,
palpably, my
wait,
lord, the
wait.
warrant may be stayed, my lord, till then.
No, no.
Operation of the
No, no,
warrant.
then that amounts to giving you the final release.
Well, we are inclined to appear for the trial court and try our luck, my lord. But the fact remains that these two orders are in contract.
You're not appearing, you're absconding from the IO probably.
Well, even in that case, they have to follow.
Heard, Mr.
As Nawaz.
S.
Nawaz.
Nawaz, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner has been made an absconder in the charge sheet, and NBWA has been issued by the court for some. The Miss S.H. Barwa, additional PP appears on the slip. Registry to,
Lordship, from the special judge, Nagaon.
registry
Additional
to,
session judge number 3.
huh?
Additional session judge number 3.
Special judge,
Registry to call for the scan copy
Lordship.
of the charge sheet from the additional, from the court of the additional sessions judge,
Yes, come special judge, Nagaon,
come additional sessions judge, come special judge,
from Nagaon.
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 Lordship.
In which case?
NDPS case number 5 of 2000.
NDNPS case number 5 of 2020. This is the matter
The date may can be.
Lordship, on 21, Lordship.
on 21.
Next item similar.
Same,
Same
everything
facts.
same.
Same facts,
Okay,
madam.
same order, same order. So out here, we don't have to call for the registry thing.
Charge sheet is there, my lord, only if,
Charge sheet is same charge sheet.
no, my lord,
Different charge sheet.
different case, my lord, different case.
So what is the case number here?
Here, my lord. Also case number 62 of 2019.
Okay.
This is
Similar
an
again.
How can it be
This is an
similar? One
No,
was,
no, the facts are similar, even
No,
in
no,
this
no.
case, charge sheet.
It can be
charge sheet.
taken as a
just give me item 7. Oxford is different.
special,
This is
this
different,
is
madam.
different case.
Oxford is different altogether.
Only one is ambiguous.
Cannot be so fast, Mr. Counsel. You'll
My
derail.
lord, page number
There's a
22
chance
is
of
the
you
charge
being.
sheet. Page number 22 is the relevant portion of the charge sheet.
Section 6 of the POCSO Act.
Lordship.
Charge sheet has been filed.
Yes, my lord.
Lord,
Page
Why aren't you filing the charge sheet?
My lord, I have submitted the charge sheet. Copy of the charge sheet has been
Let
annexed,
us
my lord.
see. What does it say?
Page number 19 onwards is the charge sheet, my lord, and the relevant portion, page 22.
19.
19. Itu, balik.
Johirul Islam.
Balik.
Johirul Islam.
So, excellent.
Khairul Islam.
No, it is valid in the- Petition number 2. Copy also. Scan copy.
So all three of your names are here.
Yes, my lord, but again directly shown as an absconder, my lord. And
Ah,
straight away-
you're hiding probably.
But even in that case, they have to go by due procedure, my
No,
lord.
no.
And
You
directly
go and
NPWS
arrest, you go and surrender yourself.
My lord,
This is a
My
POCSO
lord, at
case.
least my lord, the record may be called for scan. copy,
No,
my
no,
lord.
no.
If my
no.
lord, my lord may
You-
kindly see page 26.
You
Page
are
26.
hiding from them.
No, my lord, my lord may see kindly see page 26.
Yeah.
Directly, my lord, NPW has been issued against me. But even if there is some amount of default on our part, due procedure has to be followed, my lord. Police cannot direct, the law is settled, my lord. Police cannot directly show me as absconder. And even in this case, my lord, the court, London court has to acknowledge the
No,
summons.
no,
and the
wait. I'm quite sure before charge sheet, they must have looked for you and you are hiding.
My lord, even then they have.
Have
to
you filed
obtain-
any, have you filed any anticipatory
No, my
bail
lord.
or bail?
No, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, even if I have hiding, my lord, they have to obtain a judicial order for declaring me as an absconder, my lord. Police has no power to declare anybody as an absconder. This honorable court has already settled the law on this point, my lord.
Which, show me,
Kabir, I have cited the case law, my lord. Kabir Ahmed versus State of Assam, my lord.
show me which page?
My lord, page 6, para 7.
Where is the question out here? You have been issued Non-bailable warrant of arrest, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Then what is
My lord,
wrong?
the first issue is that, my lord, when the police has shown me as an absconder, the police cannot show me as an absconder. And secondly, my lord, even if the police has shown me as an absconder, the court can mitigate it by issuing summons, but the court has directly issued NBW. My lord, I'll
Just
satisfy
give,
this
no,
honorable
no,
court, my
no.
lord.
Just give me the judgment. Just give me this judgment. We'll clarify it here itself. 2011, 1 GLT 561. Petitioner has not even attempted to produce the judgment before this court.
No matter whether-
2011, 1 GLT 561. We'll take it up after some time.
My pleasure, Lord. In this case, we are challenging the legally and validity of the direction of the registered my lord to furnish bank guarantee my lord for release of the vehicle my lord. Under the act. my
What is
lord.
wrong? The security has to be provided.
Security my lord is provided my lord there is a primary case is made out. my lord.
Huh?
Provided there is a primary, the act clearly says that if a primary case is made out, then a question of security will come, my lord. Because in this case, that we have not violated any rules, my lord. It was an inter-district, my lord. The permit is there, and this.
Yes, what to do, madam?
Lordship may call for the IO's report regarding the,
You have asked for what is this, under 482?
yes, Lordship, notice should go to the respondent first, Lordship.
Huh?
42 man in the sense,
42,
because earlier we had filed an application before the session judge. Session judge has dismissed our revision. That's why we
Under which provision?
397 we have filed earlier before the session judge.
Okay.
Challenging that order. That was rejected, and again
right.
that come we have
Third,
come.
Mr.
P. Kotoki, madam.
P. Kotoki, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the order dated 16/11/22 passed by the learned CJM Shiv Sagar in Shiv Sagar Police PS case number 368/2022 should be set aside, in as much as security for release of the vehicle, for security for the release of the seized vehicle
Seized vehicle.
has been made. Without making any, without showing that, what, without?
Without furnishing of bank guarantee of the value of the vehicle. madam.
Okay. They have got to prove that they have got a,
Prima facie case is made out, my lord.
so he submits that there is nothing to show that a prima facie case has been made out against the petition. Issue notice. Miss S.H. Bora accepts additional PP except notice on the other state.
Lordship,
List the matter on,
Lordship, after 2 weeks,
for what?
For
Obtaining instructions or what?
obtain instruction, Lordship.
List the matter after 2 weeks for obtaining instructions.
instruction.
Lordship.
If I am not committed, why should I furnish a secret? That is the question.
May I please, Lordship, item number 5, actually, I was in court number 22, were listed there, so
What
I,
happened to item 5?
so that was, I think,
None
none
appeared.
none appears, kindly, may my appearance may be kindly recorded. madam.
Give me item 5. Item 5, we just say Mr.
I.A. Hazarika, madam.
I.A. Hazarika appears for the
Petitioner.
petitioner. We have got to issue notice or what?
Yes, no? So the matter is relates to maintenance, my lord, my lord.
Huh?
Matter relates to maintenance, payment of maintenance, by interim, my lord. So his opposite party filed a petition, my lord, that earlier she filed twice, my lord. And both were dismissed for non-prosecution, my lord. And thereafter, she also fled away with some other person. And this petitioner, who is the husband of WP, he also lost that affair.
So we issue notice.
I mean, in the meantime, with regard to the payment of maintenance to the
No,
wife,
no,
I
no,
mean,
we
to
issue
state, my
notice,
lord.
sir. Issue notice.
Child is ready to pay. Whether he is no.
We do not know, you are not here. The issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD within 2 days. Full stop. In addition to the above, the petitioner also given the liberty to serve dusty notice upon the respondent and file affidavit of service thereafter. This is the matter on, give a date. 9th, no, make it 13. Just a minute. We'll dispose it or let him go and apply for regular bail.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
S. Nawaz, my lord.
S. Nawaz, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners who submits that the petitioners have been shown as absconders in the charge sheet filed by the police in connection with
Laukwa Sapori PS 114 of 2019.
Laukwa Chapori PS case number 14/2019 under sections 457/342/375 bracket D/506/34 IPC read with section 6 of the POCSO Act. He submits that the special court, he submits that, which is the court?
Special Judge Nagaon, my lord.
Special Judge Nagaon. In special POCSO case number 62 of 2019. And this is of 2019.
19, my lord. We had no knowledge, my lord, about
Has
this.
issued non-bailable warrant of arrest against the white order dated 26/11/2019. He submits that the petitioners were not aware of the issuance of the NBWA or that they were absconders. He prays that the petitioners may be allowed to approach the learned court and pray for regular approach the regular court by setting aside the NBWA. Next part. Heard Ms. S.H. Barwa, learned PP, the additional PP.
Lordship.
Any submission?
No, Lordship.
Full stop. On hearing the learned counsel for the parties, this court is of the view that the petitioners should be allowed to surrender themselves before the court of the which court?
Special Judge Nagaon.
Special Judge Nagaon. In special POCSO case number 62 of 2019. Accordingly, the petitioners are directed to appear before the Learned Special Judge Nogam within a period of 10 days
10 days, Lordship.
from today and pray for regular bail. Full stop. The Learned Special Court shall consider the petitioner's petition for bail, as it deems fit and proper.
Lordship.
Full stop. As it deems fit and proper. Full stop. Consequently, the non-bailable warrant of arrest that has been issued against the petitioner shall remain suspended
Lordship.
till the date of
Till
their
the date of
appearance
his appearance.
before the Learned Special Court. Now,
Lordship.
the petition is accordingly disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, so 430 representation, Lordship. Page 8. The allegation is under section 13 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act, Lordships. There is section 11 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, Lordships. Page 8 is the FIR, Lordships.
Page 8.
8, Lordships. 25 numbers of cattle were recovered by the police, Lordships, while getting from Numoligarh side to Nagaon, Lordships. I have annexed the cattle purchase receipt, Lordships.
Yes. Madam,
Lordship. Lordship, let him be on interim and CD may be called for.
right, third, Mr.
He should tell, Lordship.
He should tell Learned Counsel for the petitioners who submits that the petitioners have been arrested in connection with.
No, Lordship, he has bail, Lordship.
Anticipatory.
Who submits that the petitioners are apprehensive are anticipating arrest in Bokagat PS. DT number or case number? What?
No, it's a case number, Lordship, 135, Lordship.
Bokagat PS case number 147.
No, 135, page 9, Lordship, page 9.
Then come to your first title in the
Yes, it
beginning.
is 147, Lordship, in cost title.
No, let me tell you. I'm not sure. 147, yes, sir, 147.
Then-
I'm sorry, Lordship. It's typical mistake, Lordship. 147, Lordship.
147 under slash 2022 under section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation (Bracket) Amendment Act 2021. Read with section 11 bracket 1 bracket D of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act, 1960. So what to do? We are going to call for the CD.
Lordship.
Miss S.H. Bora submits that she will produce the CD
Lordship on 23. Lordship.
on 23. List the matter on 23. In the interim, the petitioners are considering the facts of the case, this court is of the view that interim bail should be granted to the petitioners. Accordingly, the petitioners are granted interim bail. Interim pre-arrest bail.
Pre-arrest bail.
Interim pre-arrest bail on a bail bond of rupees
Lordship, 30,000
30,000 each,
each.
with one surety of like amount, to the satisfaction of the
Lordship,
Arresting officer,
Yes.
Lordship.
arresting
Arresting
authority.
authority, Lordship.
To the satisfaction of the arresting authority. That's all.
Lordship.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
Just that the bail is subject to the condition that the petitioners shall cooperate with the IO.
Lordship, and produce the relevant documents before the IO
I'll submit, Lordship.
at the time of appearance. Lordship.
The petitioners shall approach the IO concerned within a period of
15 days, Lordship.
15
10
days.
days, Lordship.
10 days.
10
A
days.
period of 10 days from today.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. This is a 430 replication, Lordship. FIR is on page 8, Lordship. Allegation is under 379, 411.
Page?
Page 8, Lordship.
What is this regarding what?
This is actually regarding lordship carrying of timber lordship. Smuggling of timber actually in e-rickshaws lordship. I am not named person in the FIR lordship. 4 persons have been named in the FIR lordship. That is on page 9.
My lord, nobody is named in the FIR, but that's why my lord, case diary is needed because it is an organized crime, my lord.
And should we release them on anticipatory bail?
No, my lord, this is a AB, my lord.
Interim lordship.
Anticipatory bail, my lord.
I know, should we grant them interim?
Not at this stage, my lord.
Not at this stage. Heard, Mr.
P.K. Das lordship.
P.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that the petitioners apprehend arrest in connection with Fakira Gram PS case number 100/2022 under section 379/411/143 of the IPC, read with section 41 of the Assam Forest Regulation Act. For the allegation of, for the offense of allegedly smuggling salt timber. Mr.
B. Sharma, my lord.
B. Sharma,
Additional PP, my lord.
additional PP,
My lord, special PP for wildlife.
special PP for wildlife. Shall produce the CD on
27, my lord.
27.
No, my lord.
This is the matter on 27.
Obliged.
Item 11 is similar to item number 9, lordships. Here, lordship, case number is different.
Out here, there is only one petitioner.
One petitioner. Here, one petitioner.
We have
Petitioner,
one petitioner, lordship, and he is not submitting the purchasing receipt here, lordship.
Yes,
yes, why don't you put,
look, he will submit before the IO, lordships.
No, no, no.
No.
That will not do this, because he is the owner come purchaser of the said cattle vehicle, the seized vehicle. So
But if he
whether
is not
without
allowed to
producing
submit-
any valid documents.
But let him
Let the
submit.
case diary become lordship.
let him submit before the.
Yes, yes, lordship. That is true.
Let him submit.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
He should tell us.
T. Chutia, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner apprehends arrest in Bogakat PS case number 118/2022 under section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Amendment Act, 2021, read with section 11(1)(d) of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act, 1960. So, sir. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner is innocent and that the cattle that were being carried had been validly purchased by the petitioner. Ms. S.B. Bora, the additional people, shall produce the CD on
27, lordship.
27/2.
Lordship.
Accordingly, release this matter on 27/2, comma. In the interim, the petitioner is released on pre-arrest bail on a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The petitioner shall, the bail, the pre-arrest bail is subject to the condition that the petitioner will cooperate with the investigating authorities.
Lordship.
He shall also appear before the concerned IO within a period of 10 days from today, along with a copy of the receipt for sale of the cattle.
Lordship. Obliged.
I am obliged, lordship.
May it please, your lordship. It is a 438 application, my lord. Case 10 is the FIR, my lord.
No, this is the famous one.
Lordship. My lord. Here, my lord, if the lordship goes to the FIR, my lord.
What is this case about?
My lord, case, my lord, what happened, my lord? The informant, my lord.
No, what is the section? Charge.
Section, my lord, yes, my lord. It's 376D and 6 and 15 of the POCSO Act, my lord. But the case, my lord, what happened if the lordship goes to the FIR, my lord? 2 persons are named, my lord. Page
No,
11.
we'll CD. Heard, mister. It's too serious, this matter.
both arrested, my lord, FIR name, both arrested, but they were juveniles, my lord, they granted bail, page 18, my lord.
So they granted bail. Then what
Yeah.
happens? Then why this AB?
No, my lord. There are 2 persons are named in the FIR, my lord. And the informant, all are juveniles, my lord.
All are?
All are juveniles, my
Yes.
minor. Minor. So what happened, my lord? They were, my lord, possibly house party like that, my lord, in the home. So, my lord, this accused before lordship, my lord, he was called there. We have stated everything in the application, my lord. He went there, my lord, and he saw all of them in intoxicated condition, my lord. So he wanted to leave, my lord. He was also given that thing, my lord. He had it, my
So
lord.
he joined them.
My lord, thereafter, my lord, the accused number 1, my lord, she is also a minor girl, my lord. She made some video, my lord, made it viral, my lord. If possible, my
What
lord.
more do you want? What more do you
No,
want?
he is not directly in that case, my lord.
What, maybe,
Okay, sir. My lord.
I heard Mr.
A. Chaudhary, my lord.
A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner apprehends arrest in Mangal PS case number 17/2023 under section 376 capital D of the IPC, read with section 16/15 of the POCSO Act.
6 and 15, lordship.
6 and
6 and
15.
15.
6 and 15 of the POCSO Act,
My lord.
2012. Ms. S.B. Bora submits that she'll produce the CD on
On 24th, lordship.
24. This is the matter on 24.
Much obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship, my lord. My lord, FIR is at 19.
FIR in vernacular.
19. lord. Vernacular is 23, my lord.
Huh?
23. my lord.
Legible copy.
Yes, my lord, I have submitted, my lord, in the form of my lord.
Where is the, this is the page 14. This is the legible copy.
No, my lord. Page, my lord, 23, my lord.
There is-
Page 23 of,
the-
page 23 of my additional affidavit, my lord. I
Additional.
filed additional affidavit.
Can you read, madam?
Lordship, here I have got the, it's not legible, but I have got it.
It's legible, I can, my lord.
No, she.
Then my lord, I can read, my lord.
No, I don't want your
My
thing.
lord,
I want her to.
translation is there, my lord.
Legible copy or something. Where to sign?
The translated copy is there, my lord. Can you see,
It's
my
not
lord?
at all legible, lordship, here.
This, you have stolen somebody else's cow.
Yes, my lord. That's the allegation, my lord. Nothing is there, but.
You have taken away their livelihood then.
Lordship.
No, my lord. That is, my lord, the result of root cause is, my lord, the one, my lord, the informant, my lord, the informant one day, my lord, before the incident, my lord, 15 days before, my lord, the informant, my lord, hit the goat, my lord, one female goat, for which he slapped, my lord.
So
That is
the informant stole one of your goats.
My lord, no, my lord. My lord, informant, one day, my lord, the informant was running through riding his bicycle, my lord. And in
Running
course of that,
through what?
to the my lord, petitioner's house, my lord. Towards the petitioner's house on the road, my lord. Then, my lord, he my lord, hit.
Running on a bicycle.
Yes, my lord. He hit a female goat, my lord, of the petitioner, my lord. Then petitioner slapped him. Only this is the reason, my lord. For which
Petitioner slapped
the
him.
informant. That is the
So
reason, my
false
lord,
case
for
was
which
made that you stole the cow.
yes, my lord. That is the allegation.
He has
my
stolen
lord.
the cow and
Slaughtered.
Yes, slaughtered.
I am more on the stealing of the cow. Yeah, you
That
have
is the
taken
allegation,
away
my-
somebody's livelihood. It appears. There's a letter of plain instructions.
Lordship.
Heard, Miss, what is your name?
R.S. Chauhan.
Item number?
Item
13,
number
ma'am.
13. Lordship.
13. Heard Mr. R.H. Chauhan, Bernard Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner apprehends arrest in connection with Chapar Police PS case number 222 of 2022 under section 379/429/34 IPC, read with section 13 bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act, read with section 11/1/D. No, no, not slash, bracket 1, bracket D of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act. The petitioner submits that the
Paragraph 4.
petitioner had apparently slapped the informant, and it was due to the said fact that a false case has been registered against the petition. Ms. S.B. Bora at the Ashura PP shall produce the record on
Lordship, on 22.
this is the matter on 22.
In the interim, some protection. The offense is not so well heinous, no sort.
No, you see, when you, for me, when you steal away somebody's livelihood, it's a very heinous.
Lordship.
It's just allegation.
So let us see.
Lordship.
I don't think they will do, I don't think, will somebody do that? When you steal away somebody's livelihood, that's bad. You're putting the entire family at risk.
Your lordship, my lordship, 438 application under section 294, 323, 376, 50 and 6 of POCSO, my lordship.
POCSO?
FIR page 22, your lordship. Yeah, my lordship, after 1 and 6 months back, my lordship, this FIR lost, my lordship. There is also delay another 3 or 4 days of the day of occurrence, my lordship. They have already stated their FIR, my lordship, in the last portion. my
Who is
lordship.
this? Who is this accused? Really accused?
Yes, my lordship. My lordship, petitioner before your lordship is the Kabaddi, national level Kabaddi champion, my lordship. So through Facebook got interacted with that victim, my lordship. No way connected with such type of alleged offense, that is 376, my lordship. After 1 and 6 months back, this FIR lost, my lordship. Now your lordship kindly peruse annexure 4.
Just a minute, just a minute, madam. Harbin Sultana is the mother.
Yes, sir. She is not 17, my lordship. She started at class 10, my lordship.
Class 10 can be 17.
Yes.
Can be 16, can be 15 also. She's a slow learner, that she can be 20 also.
Now your lordship kindly peruse annexure 4, my lordship.
Yes, madam, what do you say?
Lordship, because although there is an allegation of rape, Lordship.
There's some relationship.
Yes, otherwise.
Will allow it.
Lordship.
Heard
Miss
MSB Bhai.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner apprehends arrest in connection with Moregon PS case number 197/2022 under section 294/323/376/506 IPC, read with section 6 of the POCSO Act. Next para, the petitioner's counsel submits that the FIR submitted by the mother of the victim girl clearly shows that there was that the petitioner and the victim girl were maintaining a love relationship. The learned counsel submits that the victim girl was above 18 years.
Yes.
And as such, there was no question of the petitioner having committed rape on the on the victim. Ms. S.B. Bora, the learned additional PP submits.
Lordship, since although she is a minor, that there is a love relations between them. So Lordship, as per that is admitted fact, they have a physical relations between the parties as per the information.
Submits that the FIR submitted by the victim girl's mother clearly shows that there was a secret love relationship between the petitioner and the victim girl.
Only thing is that she is minor, Lordship.
She however submits that she can produce the CD on
On Lordship, it's from Morigaon on 22nd, Lordship.
22nd. Full stop. List the matter on 22nd. Next para. On considering the fact that the complainant, the informant has stated in her FIR that there was a love relationship between her daughter and the petitioner. This court is of the view that pre-arrest bail should be granted to the petitioner. Interim pre-arrest bail should be granted to the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner is granted pre-arrest bail and interim pre-arrest bail on a bail bond of rupees
30,000, Lordship.
20,000.
Oh, 20,000.
Yes.
20,000. With one surety of like amount, to the satisfaction of the
Arresting.
arresting authority. Full stop. The petitioner shall appear before the case IO within a period of 10 days from today.
15 days can it?
10 days, Lordship.
10 days.
Of like-
Why?
He is, for his kabaddi competition, he is out of station. ma'am.
Okay, 15 days from today. Full stop. But then when is the next
Yes,
date?
next it will be then 28 to Lordship.
We make it 28 too, huh? And just right. The above interim pre-arrest bail is granted on the condition that the petitioner shall cooperate with the investigating
Alright.
authorities. This is the matter answers.
Oblige, Your Worship.
Material, protected bill application Lordship, offense under section 354A and section 10 of the Poxo Act Lordships. FIR case number 10 Lordships.
What is section 10?
Section punishment for aggravated sexual assault.
Huh?
Punishment for aggravated sexual assault.
Aggravated?
Yes.
Sexual assault,
Yes.
not penetrative,
No.
it is sexual assault.
Yes. Page number 10. Lordships.
Page number 10.
10.
Yeah. What is the punishment?
Punishment
Punishment
Lordship,
is Lordship for which shall not be less than 5 years,
years,
which
yes.
may extend to 7
7.
years.
Recent. You went to the house.
Yes, a bit what happened. The
Yeah.
petitioner is not come within the definition of section 9 of the aggravated sexual assault. Lordships.
Why?
That is, definition is there's no section 9 Lordships. Aggravated.
Poxo Act.
Yes, Lordships. I'm the administrator of Dhansi Jatiya Vidyalaya and she is studying in Daligaon High School.
Let us see the
Yes,
section 9.
Section 9. Punishment is described in section 10 Lordships.
Yes.
It ought to have been registered under 7 of the Poxo Act, Lordship. Kindly
ought
see
to be.
section 7, Lordship.
Is not come.
So now it's no charge sheet has been filed.
No, Lordship.
No.
Then
Case trial will be required.
No cases made out on the
no,
section 9.
let her get the CD.
Lordship.
Right. Heard, Mr.
P. Dr.
Huh?
P. Dr.
P. Dutta, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner should be granted pre-arrest bail as he apprehends arrest in connection with Golaghat PS case number 9/2023 under section 354A IPC read with section 10 of the Poxo Act 2010. Ms. S.B. Bora, additional PP submits that she will produce the CD on
On 24/2, Lordship.
24/2. This is the matter of 24.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, with all respect, my lord, 302, my lord. The prime accused, my lord, and the only accused, my lord, is the son of the petition number 1, my lord. Lordship, but kindly have a look at the FIR, my lord, with all respect, my lord. That is at page 11.
Yes.
He has done it, my lord, and the forwarding report I have annexed, my lord. That is at page 16, my lord. Apparently, the sole accused is the son, my lord. Their statements have been recorded, but my lord, police are still after them, my lord, and that is there before your lordships, my lord. Possibly to get some more information out, my lord. Still cooperate, my lord. Let me be protected, my lord, then we appear. Single accused, my lord, with all respect, my lord, son who are the police personnel, and there is a long-standing, my lord, boundary dispute between the two families, my lord, and hence the case, my lord. No iota of anything against the son and my lord, father, my lord.
This Alok Kumar is the son of this petition
Exactly.
number 1.
Exactly, my lord. Both were there at the time
And
of
who is petition number 2?
son, elder brother, my lord. Elder brother of the prime accused. Only a single accused, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, accused is
Yes,
named.
madam.
Lordship, since section 302 is there, Lordship, what should I call for the case trial? Lordship?
My lord, he is a heart patient, my lord. Kindly protect, there cannot be any materials, my lord. To be very honest, my lord. That is a page, my lord. With all respect, my lord. 28, my lord.
There is 302.
Lordship.
When can you bring the CD?
Lordship, a short date, Lordship. It's
Can
from
the
Hema.
father be protected, my lord?
It's from
Prima
Hema.
facie, okay, but then you see the 302.
Yes, yes,
that's
sir, my
all.
lord.
It's
But
only
my lord,
the-
specific, my lord. He has been arrested, booked and taken away. Only the father, my lord. Son may not be protected at the moment, my lord. Because that is it, my lord. Lordship, can you look at page 28, my lord.
Interim for the father.
Yes, yes, my lord.
I think because.
Lordship.
Okay, right. I heard Mr. B.K. Mahajan, learned counsel for the petitioners who submits that they apprehend arrest, who submits that the petitioners apprehend arrest in Dimaji Police PS case number 6/2023 under section 120 bracket B/302 IPC, read with section 25 bracket 9 of the Arms Act. Even though the FIR has accused only one Alok Kumar, who is the son of the petitioner number 1, to be the person who allegedly shot and killed the informant's husband.
My.
Miss S.B. Barwa, learned additional PP, submit that she'll produce the CD within
Lordship, can it be on 24/2?
24. This is the matter on 24. The FIR states that the said that one Alok Kumar had called the informant's husband and shot him dead at his home. There is nothing in the said FIR against the petition number 1 or petition number 2. It is the case of the petitioner's counsel that there was a property dispute.
My lord. Between the deceased and
between the deceased and the
arrested accused, my lord.
And the arrested accused.
Yeah, the family, my lord. Definitely
And the
parents.
family of the arrested accused.
Okay, exactly.
And the family of the arrested accused. We also submit that the petition number 1 is having various medical
my lord, heart condition, my lord.
Medical,
Heart condition, my lord, with all respect, my lord. There is a page 7, para 12, my lord.
all submit that the petitioner, the number one is having heart problems and should be given pre-RSB. Full stop. Next para. No, how can I say that is submission? Anyway, on considering the fact that, on considering all the materials, this court will also review that interim pre-arrest bail should be granted to the petitioner number one. Accordingly, the petitioner number one should be released on a bail bond of rupees 50,000
Lordship.
with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The petitioner number one shall appear before the concerned IO
Lordship.
within a period of 10 days from
My
today,
lord, my lord.
and shall cooperate with the investigating authorities.
Lordship.
All right. My lord, can it be preponed till 20th, my lord? Because the prime accused, my lord, his case has been fixed on 20th, my lord.
Lordship.
439, my lord.
Where? Fixed where?
Before your lordship, my lord, this high court, my lord. 20th, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged. Obliged.
My pleasure, Lordship. 438 application, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, FIR page 8. Lordship, there is some dispute, Lordship, regarding Battle-Nut trees, Lordship. And since the ancestral period, Lordship, the petitioner and their family enjoying some Battle-Nut trees, Lordship. And suddenly, Lordship, on the date of occurrence, Lordship, huge quantities of Battle-Nut collected by the victim, Lordship. And in this regard, Lordship, and some dispute is there. And that the victim was used some filthy and slang language.
Poxo Act, Poxo Act.
Lordship, just Lordship.
We'll call for the city. We cannot dispose it of.
Lordship,
Poxo.
otherwise, Lordship, only dispute is there. Otherwise, there is nothing happened. Lordship, the allegation is put in false.
No, let her bring the city.
Lordship, and their neighbor, Lordship.
Allegation is very serious.
Lordship, and
This is a Poxo Act.
Lordship. And the petitioner is just the 18 years old
Huh?
boy, Lordship.
And other way also, Lordship, may I submit?
Huh?
Other way also, section 438, Lordship, subsection 1(4), Lordship. Section under 376 AB, that application is not mentioned.
80.
AB also.
80 is Lordship. and
AB also,
Lordship, AB no.
AB also.
Section which one?
376 AB.
Huh.
Lordship, kindly go through 438 of CRPC.
No,
AB. 438 CRPC, Lordship. Subsection what? 4.
Yes, AB is also there.
Lordship.
Goes.
Lordship. Lordship, and here in this case, Lordship, the age of the victim, Lordship, there
Mr.
is no any-
Counsel, the law says that. Now what am I going to do? You file bail. No point arguing. No point. There is a law is there.
Exact, Lordship. My
Doesn't-
written submission, Lordship. As per the contents of the FIR, the case is registered by the police, Lordship. Otherwise, the victim is above 16 years, Lordship. Their height become age.
Above 16 years, but
Lordship.
POXO requires the victim to be 18 years.
And if the below 16 years, then the AB will be not lie, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, and the AB will lie.
We do not know, but it's been registered under AB.
Lordship.
How can we decide that issue now? Let the charge sheet come.
CD may be called for, Lordship, and otherwise it will be come in CD. Lordship.
Where is the CD? Requirement of CD 376 AB is there. Let us see the thing. Let us see the. We cannot have a.
Because in the FIR here, victim age is alleged about 11 years.
Falsely stated, and they are
11 years and 16 years, huge difference. Right. Heard Mr.
F. Hockler.
F. Hockler, counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner should be granted pre-arrest bail in connection with BOCO PS case number 37/2022 under section 376 bracket A, B, capital IPC, read with section 6 of the POCSO Act. In persons to the FIR lodged on 30/01/2023. Next. Ms. S.B. Bora, the learned additional PP submits that the present petition is not maintainable in view of section 438 bracket 4 of the
Subsection 4.
bracket 4 of the CRPC. Full stop. Next para. Section 438 bracket 4 CRPC states as follows. Just take that down. As the petitioner has been charged with the offense under section 376 bracket AB IPC, this court agrees with the learned additional PP that the present petition is not maintainable. Accordingly, the petition is rejected.
Lordship.
Published, published.
Let's do it. 38 application lordship. FIR lordship will find page 8. Allegation under section 363 read with 4 of POCSO lordship. Page 8 your lordship will find. Page 8. FIR.
Page 8.
Lordship. Allegation is that victim and the petitioner got married lordship.
Yeah, 14-year-old girl.
No, actually, she is not 14 years. She has attained her age of puberty lordship. As per Muslim marriage, she can lordship solemnize marriage lordship. And accordingly,
When did she attain the age of puberty? What is the age of puberty?
15 years lordship.
15.
15 years.
And this is 14.
14.
But as per my instruction lordship, she has attained. But that also lordship depends on fact. Depends on lordship the. Weather and the place it vary from place to place. In some places, lordship, at the age of 12 years also puberty may attain lordship. So
they are living together or what? Are they living together?
At the consent of both the families, marriage was solemnized. Now the girl wants to marry another boy lordship. So she has lordship is not with the petitioner lordship.
And we will call for the CD.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Yeah, lordship.
A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner apprehends arrest in connection with Bogaigaon PS case number 246/2022 under section 363 IPC, read with section 4 of the POCSO Act. Ms. S.B. Bora, additional PP, should produce the CD on
27 to lordship.
27/2.
He will produce
This is the matter on 27.
All right.
Here, please, your lordship. Lordship, 438 application. Offences under 120B 420 IPC. Read with section 135 of the Assam of the Electricity Act, my lord. My lord, the FIR is at page 17. Page 17, my lord. FIR.
Yes.
It has been alleged that I have been drawing power through an unauthorized meter, my lord. That is the allegation. Now, my lord, may kindly turn to page 22, my lord. It's page 22, my lord. This meter was installed by the APDCL itself, my lord, and this is the bill for installation of the meter, my lord. And my lord, the whole issue arose because my brother filed a complaint. My lord, I have annexed the complaint at page 18 before the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum of the APDCL. regarding disconnection of electricity. And my son was directed.
No, no, let the CD come.
My lord, there's one more thing. My lord, if my
Heard,
lord kindly
Mr.
turns to
Heard,
please-
Mr. Heard, Mr. What is the name?
S. Nawaz.
Huh?
My lord, S. Nawaz.
Yes, Nawaz,
Well,
learned
just
counsel for the
one submission, my
petitioner
lord.
who apprehends arrest in connection with
Connection with my lord.
Murajat
Murajat
PS case number 23/2023 under section 120 capital B /420 IPC read with section 135 bracket 1 C of Electricity Act 2000. Ms. S.B. Bora submits that she will produce the CD on
24/2.
24. This is the matter on 24.
Deeply of that.
No? May I please, your lordship?
What to do?
Your
On appeal for-
Non-appearance, your lordship.
So what to do? We'll adjourn the matter.
Yes,
Is
your
there,
lordship.
is there some interim order against you?
No,
No,
your
there
lordship.
isn't. I mean,
Matter has
sorry, not
not
interim,
been
this is a criminal case there.
mentioned, your lordship. On the last appearance also that dated 26/9/22, non-appearance has shown, your lordship.
26/9? I don't have 26/9. Acha, that is, but after
Earlier
that,
date.
after that, it was passed over on the prayer of the petitioner. On the 11th. Right, no one appears for the petitioner.
Yes, your
also.
lordship.
Miss
MSP Das on behalf of SCKL,
MSP Das.
Standing
Miss
down,
P.
sir.
Das appears on behalf of Mr. S.C. KL,
NCB.
Leonard Standing Counsel for the NCB. List the matter after.
Any date may be
In the
given,
interest
your
of justice, list the matter after 2 weeks.
deeply opposed.
Give it the.
Cumulative judge.
Yes, what is this matter?
Yes, this cumulative is filed against the judgment order dated 17/12/22, passed by the land session judge, special judge POSCO Guwahati, convicting the accused under section 12 of POSCO Act for rigorous sentence of 1 year and to pay a fine of 5,000 and in default of to undergo simple for 3 months. Lordship, the procedural story is that on 16/8/21, informant come mother of the.
No, what to do? Are we to dispose of this matter?
Lordship may dispose to the IA lordship, which is for bail, I think.
Not bail, allowed to remain in his previous bail.
He's already in bail,
Already in
Lordship.
bail. The IA is to remain in his previous bail. The IA is to remain in his previous bail.
He's already in bail, lordship.
The IA is to remain in his previous bail?
Yes. The conviction is for 1 year. The session court has allowed him to remain in his previous bail.
For suspension of sentence. I think.
Suspend the sentence and allow him to remain in his previous bail.
You are already on bail?
Lordship.
Acha, from the trial court?
Yes.
No, that will allow. But for the main case, I think this come for the first time.
Yes, lordship.
So then we'll admit the appeal. you know?
Lordship.
Okay, right. In the main appeal, you're right. Third, Mr.
R. Chetri.
R. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant, who submits that the impugned judgment and order dated 17/12/2022, passed by the session judge cum special judge POCSO, Kamrup M. In, where is the order, judgment order?
Page 19.
In session special case number 46 of 2021. Should be set aside. Right? The appellant was convicted by the impugned judgment and order for a period convicted under
Section 12.
under section 12 of the POCSO Act by the impugned judgment and order and sentenced to undergo RI for 1 year and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, in default SI for 3 months. Full stop. Admit the appeal. Call for the LCR. Ms. S.B. Barwa appears for the
SH Bora Lordship.
S.H. Barwa appears for the additional PP appears for the state.
State officer.
That's all.
Lordship.
Appears for state. This is the matter after receipt of the LCR.
Lordship.
Then in the IA, you have heard Mr. R. Chetty, learned counsel for the appellant who submits that the judgment and order dated 17/12/2022 passed in session special case number 46 of 2021 by the special judge POCSO Kamrup M. Guwahati should be no, don't say that. So, who submits that the sentence imposed upon the petitioner by the judgment and order dated so and so, judgment and order dated 17/12/2021 passed by the special judge POCSO Kamrup M in session special case number 46 of 2021. Full stop. He also submits that the petitioner, that the applicant who is on bail should continue to be allowed to be on bail. Ms. S.H. Barwa, additional PP appears for the state and submits that she has got no objection.
Lordship.
Ms. Farah. In view of the submissions made by the counsels for the parties and on perusing the pleadings, this court suspends the sentence imposed upon the petitioner by judgment and order dated 17/12/2022 passed in session special case number 46 of 2021. The bail allowed to the petitioner shall continue till final disposal of the appeal.
And Lordship, may I submit in the main appeal, notice should go to the respondent number 2, Lordship.
And I have accordingly disposed of. In the main appeal, you say notice should be issued to the respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2.
Then he has to take steps.
Lordship.
Petitioner to take appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post within
Returnable.
within 2 days. Achha, earlier before that you said issue notice returnable in
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Eight pages, Your Lordship.
20?
My lord, this appeal, my lord, statutory appeal, Your Lordship may admit the appeal as far as the IA for suspension of the sentence on receipt to the LCR that may be considered.
You have been
7 years.
How many?
7.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Talukdar, learned
M. Biswas.
Heard Mr. M. Biswas, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that the impugned judgment and order dated 23/12/2022 and sentence order dated 23/12/2022 passed by the court of the special judge POCSO, Nagaon in special POCSO case number 66(N/2016 should be set aside. Admit the case, admit the appeal. call for the LCR. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Miss
SH Bora.
S.H. Bora appears for the
State.
additional PP appears for the state. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with JD within
4 weeks.
2 days. 2 days. List the matter after 4 weeks. Then in the IA, no.
IA, my lord, your lordship may call for the LCR also in the main case, my lord.
Then consider the IA after receiving of the
And in the
LCR.
IA, your
Just
lordship
I
may-
heard Mr. M. Biswas, who prays for suspension of the sentence and realization of fine. Passed in the impugned judgment and order dated 23/12/2022. The application shall be considered as and when the LCR is received, which has been called for in the main appeal.
Main application LCR, your lordship has called.
Huh?
In the main application, your lordship has called the LCR. I'm deeply obliged.
May it please the lordship. My lord, 180 days I am in custody.
What is the case?
My lord, acquisition in the case under section 376 IPC and 4 of POCSO Act, lordship. My lord, whatever FIR your lordship will find at case 11. In this case-
Just a minute. So charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet filed, thereafter NBW was issued on the very first day, lordship, but I did not receive notice. Subsequently, the PNA was also issued, that also I did not receive. And the reason I did not receive is mentioned by the learned special judge at page 51. The order relevant portion, lordship may kindly see. Second para, lordship, however, the PNA and warrant of arrest issued on so-and-so is received unexecuted without any report and even without being endorsed by the OC Sapodgram PS and to any official under his disposal for execution of the PNA. Consequently, this case is dragging on the behest of the inaction of police officials of so-and-so PS.
What is the stage of trial?
The witnesses are yet to be examined, lordship, including the victim.
Charge has been framed or not?
Charges has been framed.
When is the next date?
Lordship, the case is pending since long because the special court in Bilashwara could not be functioning due to boycott of the learned councils of that court, lordship.
I disagree,
Since long, the court is being is under boycott, lordship. And the learned Honorable High Court.
Maybe, but you have committed a crime.
But lordship, I am.
And there are also POCSO.
Lordship, 118.
Maybe 180 days, very short time.
Here, lordship will have to see the incident is of 2017. Charge sheet was filed in 2020, lordship. Now, lordship, after that, he remained absconding. There are orders in the petition itself, lordship. If lordship kindly comes.
Just a minute. Incident occurred on
2017, lordship, in the year 2017.
And charge sheet filed on
2020.
Then he remained absconding.
Absconding. Now, lordship, he remained absconding, and there are PNA was also issued by the learned trial court, lordship. Thereafter, lordship, in the year, in the order dated, lordship, 7/10/22, he preferred an criminal petition, which is at Annexure 5, lordship, 53. Page 53. Here, lordship, he filed a criminal petition, lordship. There, lordship, the honorable court directed him to appear before the trial court and prefer a bail application, and the trial court will consider it on its own merit. That is the observation of the honorable court, lordship, at page 55. Page 55, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly see last paragraph. In view of the afforded submission, the criminal petition is disposed of with a direction that the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on or before 19 October 22 and shall find necessary application for recalling of the NBWA as well as for granting bail to him If such application is filed by the petitioner, the Liner Trial Court below shall consider the same on its own merit. Then Lordship, the next page Lordship, page 56. He appeared before the Liner Trial Court only on 19/10/22. Incident is of 2017 Lordship. Thereafter Lordship, he was arrested Lordship.
Yes, Lordship, why I did
Thereafter,
not
Lordship,
appear?
now Lordship, the stage is Lordship, the victim, who is apparently a minor at the time of incident, she has not yet been examined Lordship. So at this stage Lordship, this may be rejected Lordship.
Lordship, may I be allowed to submit, Lordship? Lordship, why I did not appear, that is mentioned at page 51. The learned court below has passed order in this regard. I was never communicated the NBW as well as PNA, Lordship. And Lordship, the marriage between the victim and the petitioner has been solemnized after the victim attaining the age of majority. That I have stated in my paragraph, and they are.
When was it solemnized?
Lordship, after she attained.
When?
In the year 2020, Lordship. In that 2020, the marriage between the victim girl and the petitioner was solemnized. And I have stated, Lordship, paragraph 5-7.
Heard Mr. M.I.O. said, Learned Counsel for the
Lordship, due
petitioner,
to the administrative
who
failure,
prays that
Lordship,
the
I am
petitioner may
behind the
be
bar,
allowed
Lordship.
to be released on bail in connection with Sapat Gram PS case number 41/2017 under section 120B/376/506/34 IPC, read with section 4 of the POCSO Act. He submits that the petitioner has now married the victim girl in the year 2020. He also submits that he had not appeared before the authorities or the court, as he was not aware.
As mentioned by the learned court below.
He is not aware of the
In its order.
court date fixed
Yes.
by the special court in its order dated 22/9/2022. No, in its order dated. Is it that you did not know this 4/11/2022?
I did not have any knowledge of the Lordship. May kindly come to page 51. The learned court below has observed here, and for that reason, the OC was also given personal appearance before the learned court below, Lordship. That is the order here, Lordship. Lordship, may
Mr.
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma.
Mr. B. Sharma, additional PP.
Yes, Lordship.
On the other hand, submits that the petitioner had committed the crime in the year 2017. A charge sheet was filed on 2020, in the year 2020. The petitioner had approached this court by criminal petition number 1043/2022 for cancelling the non-bailable warrant of arrest issued against the petitioner. So from this court by order dated 7/10/2022 had allowed the petitioner to appear before the learned trial court and to file necessary application for recalling the NBWA. However, the learned trial court had
Order dated 19/10/22.
rejected the petitioner's application by order dated 19/10/2020. We accordingly submit that the bail application should be rejected, as the petitioner had been avoiding appearing before the enforcement agencies and the courts. Next, I have heard the learned causes for the parties. The facts of the case show that the petitioner was arrested by the police only on
19,
1910.
1910-2022,
118 days.
comma, even 1910-2022.
Yes, sir.
22.
Even though the offense was allegedly committed in the year 2017. As the petitioner has been charged with having committed a serious offense under the IPC and the POCSO Act 2012, comma. This court is of the view that it may not be prudent to. No, this court is of the view that bail should not be granted at this stage.
Lordship,
First of further, the further charge sheet has been filed and charge has been framed against the petitioner.
Yes.
Lordship, may I
The-
be allowed for
the-
one submission, Lordship? One submission, Lordship. Lordship, earlier on many occasions, this honorable court sought for the statement of the victim girl to the effect that marriage between the victim and the petitioner has been solemnized.
You can
Lordship,
apply there, you can apply.
Lordship, that could not be done due to boycott in the court below, Lordship. Lordship may kindly wait for another day to bring the statement of the victim girl, Lordship. And after considering the statement of the victim girl, Lordship may kindly take a decision. Lordship may kindly wait for another day. For the earlier order speaks, so Lordship may kindly see the.
You see, there's no bar for you to file another bail application. The bail application is accordingly rejected. 1 minute, huh? No, before that, I think there is nothing to show that there was any marriage between the.
Yeah.
Just put one line, huh? In the. Rejected.
Lordship, in item.
Kindly pass over just for the time being, my lord.
Okay.
Sindoor and
Lordship. Thank you.
So Lordship, CD was called for this matter. BA Lordship.
Huh?
CD was called for on last occasion.
Scan copy of the LCR has been received, Lordship. In this case, Lordship.
Lordship, my senior has some difficulties to do. Can the matter be adjourned for the day?
20 B2C.
Yes.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity, madam.
256 kg of ganja.
Huh?
256 kg.
Kgs?
Kgs of ganja.
Kgs? Acha.
Kgs.
Kgs. Ganja.
Ganja.
Now what to do?
They are seeking time, Lordship.
Why? Last time also you are seeking time.
There is a specific bar, Lordship. section 37.
Sir, there's specific bar, you've got to show that you are innocent, basically,
Yes.
in a way. That there's a likelihood of you being innocent.
Yes. To your lordship's satisfaction.
Lordship, order may be passed in front of my senior.
So call him, we're waiting for him.
Lordship, he's on legs. Lordship, can
Okay,
you
we'll
timing?
wait. Okay, first time.
Lordship.
What is this matter?
In this matter, Lordship, we are praying for some accommodation, Lordship, for today only because it's a voluminous case record, Lordship.
Okay. No one appears for the petitioner on call. The additional PP, Mr. B. Sharma is present. In the interest of justice, this is the matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, scan copy was called for, Lordship. That I have gone through, Lordship.
No one is here.
Lordship.
No one appears for the petition on call. Ms.
S.H. Bora.
S.H. Bora.
Bora.
Or Barwa.
B.O.R.A. Lordship.
Bora.
Lordship.
Additional PP is present. This is the matter
After a week, Lordship.
after a week.
Lordship offense under section 4 of POCSO and 366A, my lord.
Also, Lordship, scan copy called for, Lordship. Your Lordship,
My lord,
starts with-
and medical report shows that my lord, she is major, my lord, medical report, my lord. But I have checked the record, but record shows that she is minor, my lord. Fire at page 9. my lord. The statement record at page 28, my lord. Page 28 is our statement, my lord.
fixed off.
And copy has been received.
Lordship. Lordship, now the charges has been already framed
My
under
lord.
section 366 IPC and read with section 4 of POCSO Act. Next date is fixed on 10/3/2023 for evidence of the prosecution witnesses, Lordship. So Lordship may fix a matter after 10/3. Lordship.
No, my lord, in that event, my lord, I may try my luck before the trial court, before the court, my lord, special judge. If lordship is not granting it, if this honorable court is not considering my.
If charge sheet has been filed, then you should go there, no?
Lordship.
I have already approached my lord.
And it has been rejected
it was-
after filing of charge sheet?
Yes, my lord.
Rejected?
Rejected, my lord. I have annexed.
After filing of charge sheet?
My lord.
That
Show
I'm
me.
not aware of.
My lord, it starts lordship at page number. Lordship. My lord, page 33. Page 33, my lord. At that point, my lord, as charge was not framed, my lord. Lordship, it starts from.
Just a minute.
Lordship.
So Is there any bar for bail?
Lordship, because the relevant witnesses are yet to be examined, Lordship, because POXO is involved, Lordship. Section 4 of.
But
POXO.
then if you read the statement made by the victim girl,
Lordship.
there's nothing, it doesn't appear to be, it appears to be more of a consent.
Lordship. Lordship, kindly after 10-3, Lordship.
And this is she's also as per the complaint says she's 17. But what is the age? You said age, she's above 18.
A medical report, Lordship, at page. My lord. Lordship, page 20, my lord, 20. The type copy, my lord, age is between 18 to 19 years. My lord. And in the original copy, it is page 23, my lord.
20?
Page 23 in the original copy, my lord.
23.
22, 3.
23. Age is between 18 to 19.
There is no evidence, there is no evidence recent.
And is this part of the CD? Is it part of the charge sheet?
Yes, man.
Where, which page? Yes, it is here. Part of the charge sheet.
Lordship.
Medical doctor says between 18 19.
Lordship.
No, my lord, boy is also 19 years, my lord.
But this was on, when was this done?
It was done, my lord.
This report was made when?
My lord.
10 to 10 10 2022.
My lord.
And when was the FIR filed?
FIR, my lord. 9/10/2020, on the very next day, my lord.
9/10.
My lord. And 10/10 is the.
And this is 10/10. So the medical report says 18 19.
Lordship. Lordship, since a charge has been framed, Lordship.
Maybe charge has been framed. So what? But then now
kindly
there
consider
is
after-
nothing to show from the statement made by the victim girl also.
Lordship.
That there was any it was more of a consent relationship.
Lordship.
So I don't find any case not to allow. Right, heard Mr.
J. Lashkar,
J. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner should be granted bail in connection with special POXO case number 6/2022, registered under section 366 bracket A.
366
A. IPC read with section 4 of the POXO Act. Section 4 of the POXO Act. First off, he submits that as per the, he submits that as per the FIR submitted by the informant, the victim girl was about 17 years of age. While the statement made by the victim girl under section 164 CRPC.
Lordship.
Page.
Lordship, statement of victim, my lord.
Is page 28. Is that?
My lord, page 28.
They had entered in that is that they had entered into a physical relationship with the petitioner saying that he would marry her. He also submits that as per the medical examination report made by the medical and health officer from a Haflong Civil Hospital on 10/10/2022, the victim girl The age of the victim girl was between 18 to 19 years. He accordingly submits that bail should be granted to the petition. Ms. S.H. Bora, another additional PP submits that charge has been framed against the petitioner
Under
and
section
under section 366A.
366 IPC, not A.
Yes, under section 366 IPC, read with section
4 of POCSO.
4 of the POCSO Act.
Lordship.
She submits that the next stage,
Fixed on 10/3/23. Lordship.
she submits that on the next date, that is 10/3/23, the learned trial court is going to examine the victim girl.
Lordship.
So she submits that the bail application may be considered after the set date.
Lordship.
Full stop. I have heard the learned counsels for the parties. Full stop. The FIR submitted by the victim girl's mother, correct? Victim
Mother.
girl states that the victim girl's age was around 17 years and that she had been kidnapped by the petitioner. Full stop. However,
My lord,
The-
father, Rajesh Kala.
Huh?
Informant is the father, man.
Acha. By the father. However, the deposition of the victim girl under section 164 CRPC clearly shows that there was no kidnapping. There was no act of kidnapping. Full stop. Further, the petitioner and the victim girl had entered into a physical relationship knowingly. The medical report dated 10/10/2022, which has been made 1 day after the FIR was submitted, shows that the age of the victim girl is between 18 to 19 years. On considering the above facts, this court is of the view that the petitioner should be granted bail. Accordingly, the petitioner is released on a bail bond of rupees 20,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the.
Arresting authority. Arresting authority.
No, this is a bail.
Oh, special judge. Special judge. Lordship.
The,
POCSO. I'm sorry.
The satisfaction of the special judge.
POCSO Karimganj.
POCSO. Huh?
Dima Hasaw Karimganj.
Dima Hasaw.
Dima Hasaw, my lord.
Dima Hasaw. Dima Hasaw.
Oblige.
The bail is subject to the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the court as and when called.
Lordship.
List them, petition is accordingly allowed.
May I please, sir?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 30, my lord. I may be allowed to withdraw. 30.
The leftover matter, Lordship. 30.
30, what has been done? What will the other?
30.
30?
It has been passed over because he was not present at that time. Lordship.
I may be allowed to withdraw.
Oh. Item 30.
30.
Mr.
A.M. Ahmed.
A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the bail petition. Ms. R.S. Bora.
S.H. Bora, Lordship.
S.H. Bora, additional PP, appears on behalf of the state. The prayer of the petition's counsel is allowed. The bail application is dismissed as withdrawn.
Okay.
But I will permit to withdraw it.
Here, Lordship,
Then
Sarsit has been filed.
Mr. S.C. Baswar appears for
But
the.
we came only for grievance that there is no trial. They went on hunger strike for an early trial.
Right, Mr. S.C. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the bail petition. Who appears? Ms. R.S. Bora.
S.H. Bora.
S.H. Bora.
Lordship.
Additional PP appears for the state. Prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. The bail application is dismissed as withdrawn.
Another 28 also I want to withdraw.
28 also same order. 28 also same order. Good.
Wait, please. Your Lordship. This is a 439 application, my lord. It's a charge sheeted case, my lord. My lord, the case, your lordship will find, my lord, the case was registered under section, my lord, 22B, my lord, initially.
22B.
22B initially, and the charge sheet was filed also on 22B. However, the court below, after going through the materials on record, my lord, framed the charges under 22C as because 46
22C.
C. As because 46 numbers of cough syrup bottles were recovered, and accordingly, my lord, the charges were framed under section 22C. And
So is that correct or not?
it's correct, my lord. We have to take the whole amount, my lord, whole thing, my lord. That's why it's under commercial, my lord. So C. So in the charge sheet, there are 5 numbers of witnesses, my lord. So now, my lord, 3 witnesses already examined, my lord. So 4 already examined, my lord. I have come to this court, my lord, because mainly on the ground of the Caesar witness, my lord. There were 2 Caesar witnesses, and they 2 Caesar witnesses, my lord, has not supported the prosecution case, my lord. That Caesar witness, my lord, I have annexed at page 40.
Okay, this is a bail application.
Bail application.
But commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity, but the Caesar witness had not supported my case.
Had not supported the
The
prosecution case.
Yes, that has not supported the prosecution case. They, according to them, my lord, no Caesar was made.
How many witnesses are still left?
My lord, total 5, my lord. Out of them, 2 Caesar already gone, and 1 is, my lord, the informant. He's informed, his statement also done. Now it remains only the scientific officer, my lord, that FSL report. Obviously, he will say it is a positive matter.
FSL and IO.
IO, my
Two are left.
I also want.
Then let them complete.
My lord,
Yes, my lord, you are
my submission is that, my lord, there is every likelihood, my lord, I will be acquitted, my lord, because there is section 37, rigor of section 37, my lord. There is no guilty, my lord. And one more prayer, my lord, the other councils are also making, my lord. One point has to be noted by this court also, my lord. That court, my lord, is not sitting, my lord.
Which court?
My lord, this is the court, my lord. Special judge, my lord, Bilasi Para, my lord.
Why?
My lord, one Mr. S.K. Ghosh, who was the, my lord, the judicial officer, my lord. He was also, what I have heard, my lord, he was also summoned by this court also. Regarding some behavior with the councils, my lord, I don't know, my lord. I don't want to enter it, my lord. It's not functioning, my lord, for the last 6 or 7 months, my lord.
Oh.
That's the problem. And there is every possibility I will be acquitted because the Caesar has not supported, my lord. Caesar witness. That's the case, my lord.
But to decide on this bail application,
My lord.
I would basically have to hear the entire thing in a way, because the evidence 3 witnesses, 3 or 4 witnesses have given the.
My lord, only one left, my lord.
So I'll have to go into all of that because, as you know, that this court would have to be satisfied that there's a likelihood of you being not involved in the.
Yes, my lord. Because
So that will basically amount to,
almost allowing
hearing the entire
yes,
thing.
yes, my lord.
So I'll have to hear the entire thing in a way.
Then lordship will fix a date, my lord. Because I am
When?
relying upon two witnesses.
Okay, when do you want?
My lord, today is Monday, my lord.
Let my lord, evidence may be completed. My
No,
lord.
no, no. How can evidence can be completed?
The only, my lord,
No. The problem is that court is not sitting.
His problem is the court is not
Not functioning. That is the problem.
Can you
my
obtain
lord.
instructions whether the court is functioning?
Yes, my lord, status report, may I?
Status report দিব কোর্টে নাই।
কেতিয়া তো status report দিব কি কথা কয় আপনি?
Yes, let him obtain instructions with regard to.
My lord, it is to registry, my lord, because it is succeeded case.
Charge registry will take the instruction whether the court is. Lordship will fix any date, my lord, this week, my lord, or Monday, next Monday, my lord. I'll take a chance, my lord.
No, but we'll have to obtain the status report.
Yes,
because
my
that
lord.
is a.
Yes, my lord.
We'll have to know whether there is a court functioning or not.
Yes, man. Lordship may call for that status report. Yes.
From the session court, my lord.
Session?
Yes, because it is before the additional session, my lord.
We'll have to carry the
My
registry.
lord,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
lord.
It is before edition session at.
I leave it to lordship.
And that problem is there, my lord, because.
Okay, right.
It was.
And Mr. N.J. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner has been arrested in connection with the seizure of cough syrup, and he has been charged under section 22C of the NDNPS Act. He submits that out of the 5 prosecution witnesses,
4 already gone.
comma, only the scientific officer's evidence is to be recorded, comma, which would pertain to the FSL report. He submits that as the evidence of the 2 Caesar witnesses do not support the prosecution case, comma, the petitioner should be released on bail. First up, further, the special court, comma, NDNPS is not functioning. Special court NDNPS, comma, Bilasipara, Bilasipara, Bilasipara has not been functioning for the last 7 months. And as such, the petitioner would be in judicial custody indefinitely. Mr.
B.
Sharma, additional PP, appears for the state and submits that the trial should be allowed to be concluded as only 1 witness remains to be examined. First up. 1 prosecution witness, 1 prosecution. Next para, you're right. With the consent of the parties, list the matter on.
Today is Monday.
We'll ask for a report.
Then in that case, at least 10 days time. Today, Ajikita. Can it be on 22?
22, huh? So, in the meantime, the registry will make a report as to whether the special court NDNPS Bilasipara is functioning. First stop. If not functioning, comma, then when the said court is likely to start functioning.
This report may be called from the session judge Dhubri.
The first stop, the registry may call for the report from the session judge Dhubri.
I am obliged, madam.
Finish. This is also.
আজি রিস্ক করা নাই রিস্ক করা নাই সিরিয়ালি হয়ে আছে 25 তো কি হইছে না দিলে তেতিয়া আচ্ছা
Thank you.